So this is going to be a really quick, easy recipe for you. Mom's secret clam dip, no longer a secret. Around the holidays, it's clam dip. There's always clam dip and Ruffles. That my mom, she just started making it one day, and it's always been a tradition. First off, it's equal parts sour cream, which is in this case 1 cup. Then we're going to go with our 8 ounces of cream cheese. Now, one of the things I remember that really evokes a memory for this particular dish is my mom used to give me the blocks, because remember, they never had, this is back in the 60s, they didn't have a cream cheese that was already softened, so she'd give me the little block, a couple of blocks, a bowl, and a fork. And I have to sit there with the fork for a long time, a half an hour or so, just sitting there making it nice and soft. But now they have the already creamed, so that's a better way to go. We're just going to slightly mix this up. We're going to go ahead and add our clams. These are clams that have been drained. All right. So when we have the recipe that's going to accompany this, you can get that as well, obviously, online. We're going to do a little bit of about tablespoon of lemon juice. 5 green onions. Okay, and then we're going to put some pepper. And when I look for seasoning things, normally I'll dump them in my hand, because I know what a tablespoon looks like. I know what a teaspoon looks like. That's going to be about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and it's a little easier than just trying to sprinkle. All right, then we're just going to simply mix this up. Very simple and easy to do. You can make this the morning of or the next day. Then we'll just put it in the container, and it is set up nice and a little bit firm. Go and grab the whisk real quick and get all those lumps out. Again, we're going to go ahead and put that in a dish. Just going to get a spatula and make sure you get all that goodness out of there. There we go. Beautiful. I did add just a touch of salt. So again, you need to taste everything, make sure it's ready. Add a touch of salt. And this isn't an advertisement for Ruffles, but it's a chip that's firm enough that it works great in this. You wouldn't want a really thin chip. You want a chip that you can really take the dip out of.